You're studying and it's 1 in the morning. You have a test in 8 hours. Should you keep studying and try to retain as much information as possible? Or should you shut the books, shut the light, jump on the bed, and sleep? The more obvious choice would be just to keep studying and try to get as much information. Or is it? On TED Ed, there is a video explaining the pros of sleep, as it can help you remember the information to get a better grade on that test. Sleep takes up about 1/3 of our lives, but many of us tend to forget the importance of sleep. We think that it's just a waste of time and just a time in which our body has to rest. However, in addition to letting our body rest and helping memory, sleep helps the body's circulatory system, the nervous system, and helps the brain rewire. On harvard.edu, it explains that when the body is sleep deprived, the brain cannot restructure, making it impossible to remember old information and take in new information. There have also been studies to show that when we take in new information, that information is often forgotten in the first 20 minutes. However, all is not lost. This information can be moved from our fleeting short-term memory to our more durable long-term memory. This can all be done with the help of the hippocampus. The hippocampus's role in memory formation and consolidation was shown back in the 1950s when Brenda Milner researched this topic. In one of her researches, she took out a patient's hippocampus and then recorded what happened to the patient. The patient could no longer form short-term memories, nor could the patient form long-term memories. However, through repetition, the patient could learn physical tasks. What this showed about the hippocampus was that it was responsible for the consolidation of long-term declarative memories and not long-term procedural memories. Declarative memories are memories that are responsible for that upcoming test, while procedural memories have to do with playing a sport or playing an instrument. Sensory information is first stored in the neurons as short-term memory, which is then transferred to the hippocampus, which then strengthens these neurons. So you may be wondering, why do I remember some things over others? This is due to the fact that in heightened times of stress or excitement, these memories get recorded better because of the hippocampus's link to emotion. But what other factor can help us strengthen memories? You guessed it, sleep. Sleep is comprised of 4 stages, 2 of which are deep sleep. These stages are REM sleep and slow wave sleep. Slow wave sleep is responsible for the consolidation of declarative memories, while REM sleep is responsible for the consolidation of procedural memories. ScienceDaily.com shows in an experiment that the brain's cerebellum also has heightened activity, which is responsible for procedural memories. EEG scans monitoring these people in these stages show electrical impulses between the brainstem, the hippocampus, the thalamus, and the cortex. All of these factors help us form memories and consolidate them. As far as the video goes, I like the examples such as drawings so that the viewer can fully visualize what is happening in the brain. So, more studying or sleep? I think the answer is clear. Thank you.